Buenos dias, buenos dias. We woke up, got some coffee, and we're on to Mindo Falls. Oh, Mindo Clouds. Mindo Clouds, that's where we're going to. So it's around a 5-hour drive. A lot of bird watching, a lot of animals. Time to switch up the scenarios, guys. Switch up the scenarios. 2 hours of driving. It's time for stop for a little coffee stop. Eat my coffee intake of the day, even though we had it in the morning, but can't just drive straight, right? You gotta stop places to see things, so. Okay. Ooh, looks nice. I love the smell of like the wood. That nice like cabin wood fire smell. Hola, buenos dias. Sí. Okay. Butter, nice little fire. It's a little cold and chilly over here.
There you go.
Let's see.
Nice chocolate. Ooh.
Coffee. Little Americano. Decided to stop on the road. Get some fruits. Essentials for the vitamins. Oh, should I eat some strawberries? Ooh, the berries look good too. Yes, everybody. We just got to the Eco Lounge. As you can see, we're in Mindo. Just parked up the car. About to see our rooms. This beautiful Eco Lodge called Casa Divina. Casa Divina Eco Lounge. Check this out, y'all. Beautiful entrance. This river. Surrounded by forest. This is exactly what you want to see when you're staying at an Eco Lounge. Oh, nothing's better than connecting with nature, y'all. Woo. Oh, there it is. That's where we're staying today, y'all. If you guys love nature, this is literally the spot to go if you're in Ecuador. Mindo.
There, it's outside.
Oh,
Okay,
outside.
here is only the reception, the restaurant, and beer watching.
Oh,
area.
beautiful. Alright, time to eat.
Come here, play some games at night.
Right?
Yeah.
Should I
Oh,
ask
they
if
have
they
beer.
have-
They have beer.
Oh,
They have beer. Yeah.
Woo. Nice. Alright, now we're eating.
That's good.
Looks good. ¿Qué pasa? What is it? Explain
It's
again.
a lentil soup, chicken salad,
Mutton
and
soup, chicken salad,
spring rice.
and
Have
spring
some-
rice. Alright.
Enjoy. And this is
Thank you.
strawberry, blackberry, and lemon.
Thank you.
That's from Chile.
Oh, chili, yeah. She also said in the morning tomorrow, there's coffee over there. And
Good.
before we go.
Rice.
Yeah. 6 a.m. Coffee over there and fruits in the morning tomorrow. 6 a.m.
Chicken
Over
salad.
there. No, it's over there. Never mind. It's okay. I'll show you tomorrow.
Nice and fresh.
Same food as you.
No, just right there.
Same food as me. I'm gonna walk around the property. Beautiful. Time to see our cabin. Let's go see how the cabin looks. Look at this guy dragging his look at this tourist. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh wow. Shoes in there. Let's see.
We all figure.
There's room upstairs. We can go upstairs.
Take a look.
Nice.
Let's take a look.
Let's check up the upstairs, guys.
Mom, Dad, Auntie.
Yeah.
Since they can't do chairs.
Oh yeah.
And then us three have our own little cabin. This is the
Yo.
little
Yeah.
one.
That's it.
How's it?
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Get some privacy.
Pretty.
You know?
Buenos dias. It's the morning. What are we gonna do now?
See some birdies.
Walking out very early in the morning to do the tour. To see some birdies. Okay. It's like 5 a.m. right now. Tour starts at 6. Eat some breakfast, and then he's gonna take us around to multiple different areas to see most unique birds. Okay, just got to the lodge. Time to eat some breakfast. Woo.
Hola, buenos dias, muchachos.
She's right there. Hola, buenos dias.
But the same, I can explain a little bit about the cock of the rock.
Yeah.
Cock of the rock bird.
The cock of the rock, they choose one spot they call lake. Lake is where they have this gathering, meeting males for coming every single day in the same hour and the same place. So what they do is they choose around where is the female around, because the female they nested next to the river or creek on the cliff, found the one fraction of the rock, build the nest. So the males they go around next to the female calling to attract females. But the female they will not come, is known as the maiden season. Maiden season is between middle July, middle August. That's just, they have like 30 days for maiden. So why they got a male every single day there in the same spot? Because they have this competition male. They call in each this species the cotingas. They call cotingas family. They call the Andean cock of the rock.
Getting strapped up. Let me see, Kwang.
To make it smaller because they're too long.
You see me?
Yeah. Where do they normally?
Alright, everybody. About to get in our tour bus right now, our tour van. We're gonna head out, see some hummingbirds, see more birds. We're just on the top. Hey, let's go. Alright. Hola, buenos dias.
Giovanni is our driver going to be for us today.
This is our tour guide today.
Excellent.
There we
We're
go.
coming here for enjoy the whole bird we're going to see right now.
That's it, let's go. Vamos.
Okay.
Alright, we have arrived on the first destination, San Taddeo Birding. Let's see what we can catch here. Oh, wow. Bunch of birds here.
Come and see here the birds. It's like
Daddy. See the bird?
Oh, look, there are two species of hummingbird.
Coming here.
White tip and Empress brilliant female.
They're fighting. Where'd they go?
That one. Well, that was an experience, y'all. That was great. That was great. Now we're leaving this place. We're gonna go to another place, another area in the forest to see a bunch of different species of birds. Hopefully we can find a toucan, maybe some parrots, maybe something else. Who knows? We're in the forest. Cloud forest, y'all. Kwangster. Alright, it got very hot, so you know, I have to change a little bit. But we just got to our second location, bird watching location. Somewhere in the woods. We're gonna have a little rest and drink some coconut juice. Cocoa juice time. Senor is opening it up.
Yep. This is very good and very tasty.
Oh yeah.
How would you
Fresh.
drink?
Fresh coconut juice.
Yeah. How would you drink the fresh coconut juice? Excellent.
Alrighty.
Oh, it's 500 milliliters. Wow.
It's very, very good.
Oh wow, it's actually sweet. It's hard to get a sweet one, and it's actually pretty sweet. It's good. Nice cold coconut. Can't go wrong with there. Come
Have
on.
you drank before?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're from the Philippines,
good stuff.
so they
Yeah.
drink before.
Excellent.
There we go.
Do it for us too.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's hard.
It's hard.
I think
Oh, it's hard.
What does that mean?
if the other more like
Is it hard?
How's it?
I think that's the best.
Oh yeah,
it's not
that
bad.
one is the good one.
It's more softly.
There we go.
It's very good. Huh?
This one's good. Yeah. Sweet.
Thank you.
Good stuff.
Oh, yeah,
My mom would want for sure.
So we just came back from our bird watching. We're about to do some tubing, baby. Hey! She already got her gear on. Me and Quan about to get her gear on right now. Yeah. That's tubes. 6-man tube, bro. Huh?
I can pee in the tube, right?
Oh wow, that's crazy. I don't know. Maybe go down the river.
You want to leave your keys here?
No.
Oh, it's okay. We'll keep it. We have the thing. Make it tighter. You have to put double layer. You have to double this on top of your head.
All right, we ready to go?
Okay, we're gonna do some tubing.
Let's go!
Woo! It's raining.
Yo, I think we're kind of crazy.
It's raining a lot.
It is. Sí. Aquí.
Here, it's okay.
Okay, guys. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. You know why? Yeah. Ah shit.
Oh shit. No shit.
Ay, cabrón. Uy.
I guess
Okay.
we hold on to it.
Yeah.
Alright.
We did ask to sit back here.
We did.
Yeah.
We asked for this.
Lit, yo. Okay, yo.
Okay.
Huh?
How do you clip it, right? Oh!
Hey! Hey! Oh, he's doing it! Oh, that's what you want? Ah! Back into the hut.
Shit.
Damn, yo, who's turn?
Oh!
Easier if you just sit.
Alright, we're here. Gracias. Vamos. Uy.
Shibo. Okay.
Okay.
Are you coming? Are you still with us? You coming? No.
Vamos aquí.
Come on.
Salidas aquí. Woo, look at this guy.
Oh, that's close.
Alright.
It's not as bad as the other one. We don't need like a tutorial. ¿Algo de español? I don't know.
Nada,
English. Or Portuguese.
Hablo poquito español.
Okay, we'll try.
The position,
Position?
the triangle,
In
the
here.
triangle, sí.
Oh, no.
Ah, aquí.
No, okay. Ahí,
Okay.
Así.
pies, ahí,
Okay.
ya. Posición de manos,
Ah, okay.
Ah.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Alright, then.
It's cold.
É frio.
Oh, desafio! Desafio!
Yo, that was crazy, yo, not gonna lie. That was fun. That was fun. How was that? How was that?
That was fun!
Ah!
Ahora sí, viene, chicos.
Oh, muchas gracias. Woo. Yeah, that was good stuff, yo.
Okay, chicos.
Woo. Oh, that was fun. Oh, gracias. Yo.
Oh, I'm
Yo.
freezing.
Come on.
Mega Charizard of Lazy River. Complete.
Oh, I had to like hold my abs up the whole time.
Yo, my hand hurts so much holding the camera like this.
Yo, guys, these helmets are not even for our, like, the water, it's for us hitting each other. Yo, you hit me in the face, and then I
Literally, it's like boom, boom,
Sorry.
boom. Oh, that was good stuff, y'all.
Holy. This guy worked hard, eh?
Yeah, he worked hard.
Because he beat the
Tour guy. Guy's like, woo, woo.
Otherwise, it would have just been like this.
Right? Oh. Hey. Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno. Woo.
Mucha adrenalina.
Sí, mucha adrenalina, yeah.
Cansado agora?
Un poco.
Un poco cansado. Oh, there you go, yeah. Whew. And that was the excursion after the bird watching, yo. It was a twist.
Yeah, it was a hot hiking, so it's nice and relaxing, bird watching, like cuckoo, and then we're like, woo.
In the rain, the pouring rain.
From 2 cans to, I don't know, when I tried. Hold this. Hold this one. Gracias, muchachos. Buenas noches. Alright. Now we're wet and yeah, that was our day today. And the craziest thing, we have to wake up at 1 a.m. to go to the airport to catch our flight at 7 a.m. to go to Galapagos Island. So hey, it's gonna be a crazy no sleep type day. But it's all worth it. Catch you guys. Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Wait, do you still need to do your rolling?